Know it. Everything you need to know. Cleidocranial dysplasia is an autosomal dominant disorder, characterized by a condition that primarily affects the development of the bones and teeth. Cleidocranial dysplasia occurs in approximately 1 per million individuals worldwide. Individuals with cleidocranial dysplasia usually have underdeveloped or absent collarbones, clavicles. As a result, their shoulders are narrow and sloping, and it can be brought unusually close together in front of the body, and in some cases, the shoulders can be made to meet in the middle of the body. Affected individuals may have short, tapered fingers and broad thumbs, short forearms, flat feet, knock knees, scoliosis. Characteristic facial features may include a wide, short skull, brachycephaly, a prominent forehead, wider set eyes, hypertelorism, a flat nose, and a small upper jaw. Causes: mutations in RUNX2 are the only known genetic cause of CCD. Deletion, missense, nonsense, and frameshift mutations of RUNX2 have been identified in CCD patients. RUNX2 is required for several key steps during skeletal development and maintenance, including osteoblast differentiation. Surgical treatment. Autotransplantation of teeth has been shown to be a successful strategy to treat older patients. Surgical treatment of the bony defects of the skull is often performed to address aesthetic concerns. Don't forget to like this video. For more videos, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.